The flames snap high right off the starting line. Finish line stripe. It is going to be Nhra Brown. Brown runs 3:67.3. Low 18 of the rest. History. The funny car final is up. It's going to be Chad Green for the second time in his career. Chad Green wins the gator net. They're off. The quicker 60-foot time to gauge Nhra by 3/100ths of a second. And at the finish line stripe, Nhra 6:72.2 beats a 6:72.3. Pro stock final. Oh boy, Greg Anderson's car shook the tires. Dallas Glenn will open the season with a win line on the strange side of the drag strip, 6:54.9 and 211 miles an hour.